So you can also see that if I try to, if I try switching off the screen, it is still playing. Bring it back on, so you can pause and you can play. Okay, so you can multitask while you're doing your things. And you can come back here and pause it. So what is going on, everyone? I'm in the boss with you here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play YouTube in the background, or even play your music while your screen is turned off. So if you find this video helpful, please support my channel by smashing that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos like this. And let us begin. So firstly, we know that when we check our normal YouTube app and we try maybe playing a video, if we try to go into the home button, you're going to realize that there is nothing you have for playing in the background. So what we're going to need is to go and download a browser called Chrome. So if you don't have it, you're going to just go into the Play Store and then type in Chrome, and then it will search for Chrome and then bring it to maybe download it. So immediately after you've downloaded the Google Chrome, you're gonna have to go and open mine. It's actually we're asking for an update, which I'm not going to be updating right now. So what you're going to need to do is to go to the application itself, and then go ahead, click in the search tab there, and then go ahead and just type in the word YouTube. So type in youtube.com and then press the go button here. Okay, so you're going to realize that it's going to load, and then you can search for any type of content that you want, but I want to go ahead and search for my own content. Okay, so we have a video here, and you're gonna have to go ahead and play it. Okay, so you can see, so you're gonna realize that if we press that button, it's not gonna be playing in the background. It doesn't have that option. So you're gonna come back here in the Chrome browser, and then you're gonna have to click on the three dots up here in the right hand corner. Then click them and then look for the desktop site. There you go. So it's gonna reload and then turn it into as if you're using your desktop. And then you're gonna have to go ahead and play your video. So now in this case, you can go in the background. It's gonna pause a little bit, but you're gonna scroll down up, and then you have this option where you can play. See? So now you can multitask and open any application that you want and do, like go in the browser and you're still hearing it in the background. Okay, so you can also see that if I try to, if I try switching off the screen, it is still playing. Bring it back on, so you can pause and you can play. Okay, so you can multitask while you're doing your things, and you can come back here and pause it. So the most major thing we need to do is to just come here up here and make sure you're using the desktop site, and then you can listen to your YouTube in the background. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.